Hello students. So today we will start first year trigonometry. So some basic you have studied in your 10th standard. So further study we will be having in your first year. So first we have measurement of angle, and in SI unit angle is measured in radian. Angle is measured in radian. So first we will see definition of radian. So first I will take a circle with the center O and radius is equal to r. Radius is equal to r. Now on this circle take a arc. AB is called arc, A to B is called arc, such that its length is equal to radius of the circle, means this length is also equal to r. So A to B is r. Join OA. So then the angle formed at the center, that is angle AOB, is called 1 radian. Radian is denoted like this C. As degree we denote it by O. This C denotes radian. So you can define radian as angle formed at the center of a circle. Angle formed at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius of a circle. Whose length is equal to radius of a circle. So in this figure we have OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. That is nothing but radius of a circle. Then angle AOB. Angle AOB is 1 radian denoted by C, or that is 1 radian. 1 radian. So you can define it is angle formed at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius of a circle. So OA is also equal to R, OB is equal to R, even AB is also equal to R. Clear students? Now here we have one relation, that is pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So in further solving, every time we don't denote as C, just if pi comes it is understood that it is a radian. Now initially you will have simple numericals where you are required to convert angle from degree to radian. So here you can say angle in a degree. So he has given in radian, you are required to convert it in a degree, or he has given it in degree, you are required to convert it into radian. So angle in radian is equal to angle in degree into pi by 180. Pi by 180. So you will give angle in degree, you are required to convert it into radian. For 1 marks you will be asking. So you are required to multiply by pi by 180. So this is the second formula which you are required to remember. So first, radian means it is angle formed at the center by an arc of a circle whose length is equal to radius. So this is 1 radian. So first relation is pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Then to convert, if you want angle in radian, angle in degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree will be given. You should multiply it by pi by 180. Clear students? So you can pause, note down these formulas. then I will take numerical on this, then we will solve problems on this. So now we will see few problems on the formula. So formula is angle in radian is given by angle in degree, and you should multiply that by pi by 180. Pi by 180. So few numericals I have written, few angles I have taken, so we will convert it into degree, radian. So now first 30 degree I have taken. So in radian I want to convert it. So in radian is equal to angle in degree. So degree is how much? 30. You should multiply this by pi by 180. Pi by 180. Pi you keep as it is. You simplify these terms. So 0 gets cancelled. 0 gets cancelled. By 3 if you cancel, 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. So you will have answer pi by 6. So 30 degree in radian is pi by 6. Similarly 60 degree I can take. So in radian 60 degree will be in radian. So 60 into pi by 180 into pi by 180. So again here 0 gets cancelled. So you simplify this. 6 and 18 gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6 3s are 18. So you will have answer pi by 3. Pi by 3. Similarly, third if you take, third 90 degree. So 90 degree in radian will be in radian 90 into pi by 180. So if you simplify again 0 it gets cancelled. So 9 and 18 if you simplify, 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. So you will get answer pi by 2. You will get answer pi by 2. Similarly you can try on your own. You can try fourth one 120 degree. So in radian you will have 120 into pi by 180. 120 into pi by 180. So 0 gets cancelled. So we will have 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So answer will be 2 into pi, 2 pi divided by 3. You will have 2 pi divided by 3. Clear students? Similarly, you try 150. 150 if I take 150 into pi divided by 180. 150 into pi by 180. So 0 gets cancelled. So 15 and 18. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. So you will have answer 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Clear students? Similarly 240. In radian it will be 240. 240 into pi by 180. Tell me what will be the next step. 0 gets cancelled, so I will cancel 0. 24 and 18. Now you cancel. In 6 table you will have 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18. So you will have answer 4 pi by 3. You will have 4 pi by 3. Similarly 330. So if you convert 330 into pi by 180. Again 0 gets cancelled. So 0 goes. 0 gets cancelled. So in 3 table you will get 3 11s are 3 6 are 18. So answer will be 11 pi by 6. 11 pi by 6. Clear students? So if he gives in a degree, you convert it into radian by multiplying by pi by 180. Clear? Now I will give angle in radian, you are required to convert it in degree. So we will see problems where angle is given in radian, we are required to convert it in degrees. So first I will take, for example, first one, 7 pi by 12. 7 pi by 12. So this angle is in radian, you are required to convert it into degree. So in degree is equal to, so just before problems I told pi is equal to 180 degree. So we have seen that pi is equal to 180 degree. So in this, wherever pi is there, you substitute 180. So you will have 7 into 180 divided by 12. 7 into 180 divided by 12. So now you simplify this. You can simplify on your own, else you can even use a calculator. In college level, calculator is allowed, that is basic calculator is allowed. So if I take 12, so 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 0. Again 2 1s are 2 15s are. So now multiply 15 into 7, 15 6 are 90, 15 7s are 105 degree. So 7 pi by 12 is 105 degree. Clear students? Wherever pi is there, you substitute 180. So second if I take, so 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. You can try. So just try. Wherever pi is there, you substitute 180. So this is equal to 5 into 180 divided by 6. 5 into 180 divided by 6. So now simplify. 6 ones are 6 3s are 18, 0. So 30 into 5. So 5 3s are 15, 0. So we will have 150 degree. Similarly, third one, 9 pi by 5. 9 pi by 5. You can try, students. So in place of pi, you should substitute 180 degree. So this is 9 into 180 divided by 5. Now again you cancel 5 ones are, so 5 3s are 15, 3 remains 30, 5 6 are 30, correct? So 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18, 3 remains 30, 5 6 are 30, so 36. So now you multiply 9 into 36. If you want, you can use calculator, else directly you can simplify. So 6 9s are 54, 5 carry, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5, 32. So you will have 324 degree. So you will have 324 degree. Clear, students? Clear? Okay. Now next if I take 2 pi by 9, fourth you can try. 2 pi by 9. 2 pi by 9. Again in place of pi, you substitute 180 degree. You substitute 180 degree in place of pi. So in degree, you will have, in degree, 2 into 180 divided by 9. 2 into 180 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9 2s are 18, 0. Now you multiply these two. 20 into 2 you will have 40 degree. Similarly you can try fifth one, 9 pi by 2. Try, students. 9 pi by 2. In place of pi, you substitute 180 degree. In place of pi, substitute 180 degree. So 9 into 180 divided by 2. So you will have 9 into 2 ones are 2 nines are 18, 0. 9 into 90. So you will have 9 nines are 81, 810 degree. Clear, students? Now see here. Another two important relations I will be telling. Now 1 degree, it is divided into 60 equal parts, and each part is called minute. So now suppose this angle is 1 degree, this angle is 1 degree. This 1 is divided into 60 equal parts. So like this 60 equal parts are divided and each part is called 1 minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and it is denoted by like this dash. So dash denotes minutes. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And again 1 minute is divided into again 60 equal parts and each part is called a second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, means 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts. So 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called a minute. Now if I take a problem on this, so you are required to convert 40 degree 20 minutes in radian. Convert into radian. You are required to convert this angle into radian. Now first you should convert that into degree. Now 40 degree 20 minutes is there. So first I will convert it in a degree. So in degree how we convert? 40 degree as it is I will keep 40 degree plus this minutes it is converted into degree. Minutes is converted into degree. So 20 minutes means it is nothing but 20 by 60. So here if you take 60 minutes means 1 degree. So 20 minutes means how much degree? So you will have 20 into 1 divided by 60. 20 into 1 divided by 60. So directly we take 20 divided by 60. Now if I simplify this, 0 gets cancelled. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 40 plus 1 by 3. 40 plus 1 by 3. So now if I take LCM, 40 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 120 plus 1. So you will have 121 divided by 3. This is in degree. 121 divided by 3 in degree. Now you convert this degree into radian. So in radian is equal to, it is equal to 121 divided by 3 into pi by 180. So now students, you can use a calculator. You use calculator and simplify this, you will get the answer. So just you multiply these two and divide 121 by that term, you will get it in radian. This you can do on your own. You can keep pi as it is, you will be getting in points. Some, for example, here 0.023 pi, in this way you will be having. So you keep as it is. Even if you want, you can substitute value of pi. Pi will be 3.142 or 22 by 7. Pi is equal to 3.142 or 22 by 7. So you can even take 22 by 7, simplify, else just these term using calculator you can simplify. Clear, students? Similarly, I will take another example. Another example if I take. So second one I will take. Second, 30 degree 40 minutes. 30 degree 40 minutes. So you are required to convert it into radian. You are required to convert that into radian. So first you convert this in degree. You convert this in degree. So in degree this will be 30 plus 40 by 60. 30 plus 40 by 60. Again, as I told here, in same way you can simplify here. So 0 gets cancelled. 30 plus 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, you will have 2 by 3. Now take LCM. 30 into 3, 90, 92. 92 by 3. 92 by 3. So this is in degree. Now you convert this in radian. Now in radian. In radian you will have 92 by 3 into pi by 180. Pi by 180. So again use calculator and simplify, you will have the answer. So using calculator you simplify and write the answer. Clear, students? Now if I take another example. If I take another example. Another example if I take third one. 50 degree 20 minutes 40 seconds. 50 degree 20 minutes 40 seconds. So you are required to convert this into radian. You are required to convert this into radian. So first again you are required to convert this in degree. You convert this in degree. So this is in degree 50 plus 20 minutes is there. So to convert it in degree you should divide by 60. So 20 by 60 plus 40 seconds is there. So 40. If you divide by 60, it gets a second to minutes. It gets converted from second to minutes. So into 60. Sorry, divided by 60. Again from minutes to degree you are required to take another 60. So if you divide 40 by 3600, you will be having it in degree or 60 into 60. Now you simplify this. 50 plus 0 gets cancelled, 1 by 3 plus this 0 gets cancelled. You will have 2 2s are 2 3s are, so 2 1s are 2 30s. So you will have 1 divided by 90. 1 divided by 90. So now you can take LCM, else using calculator you divide this and write, you will have the answer. So this is 50 plus 1 by 3 is 0.333. 0.333. So similarly 1 by 90 you divide. 1 by 90. So 1 by 90 if I divide, just I will be doing graph. 1 by 9 is 0.111 so on. So 10 by 9, 9 ones are 9, 1 remains, again you will have 0.111. So 1 by 90 will be 0.011. 0.011. So plus 0.011. You can use the calculator, students. Using calculator you can solve. So if I add these, so 0.011 11, so 50.344, this is in degree. So this is in degree. Now in radian, you multiply by pi by 180. So 50.344 into pi by 180. Pi by 180. Now here you use a calculator, divide this by 180, you will have roughly around 0.37 something into pi, you will get the answer. So you divide using calculator and write the answer. Clear, students? So is it clear? Okay. So you can pause and solve all the problems what I have taken in this class. So main points of this class or what we have studied today is, first one is pi is equal to 180 degree. Pi is equal to 180 degree. How do you convert angle in radian? Angle in radian is equal to angle in degree into pi by 180. Third, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Then fourth, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So from radian to degree, how we are converting? In place of pi we are substituting 180. Clear? Again in next session we will see few more problems on this. Okay. Thank you, students.